Hello cuties, welcome to Others and Ideal Institutions online learning class. Subject GK Standard 4th Session 1 Topic Indian Symbols. In this video, we are going to study about national symbols of our country. Yeah, it is very important to know about our national symbols because we are Indians. Okay dear, did you know how many national symbols do we have? Yes, correct. There are 17 national symbols of India. These symbols say a lot about India. Okay dear, let's see national symbol of India. The Republic of India has several national symbols. The national symbol of India represents the culture and nature of India's national identity. Okay, let's see our national symbols. Father of Nation. Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi. National currency. National currency Rupee. National anthem. National anthem Jana Gana Mana. National song. National song Vande Mataram. National language. National language Hindi. National emblem. National emblem Ashoka. National festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. National sports. National sports hockey. National animal. National animal tiger. National bird. National bird peacock. National aquatic animal. National aquatic animal dolphin. National flag. National flag Tranga. National fruit. National fruit mango. National flower. National flower lotus. National calendar. National calendar Saga calendar. National park. National park Carpet National Park. National tree. National tree banyan tree. National river. National river Ganga. Okay dear, let's exercise time. First, missing letters. Here have 4 questions. Find out these answers. Second Roman, answer the following questions. Here have 4 questions. First one, who is called the Father of Nation? Second one, what is the national flag of India called? Third one, what is the national song of India? Fourth one, how many national symbols do we have? Okay dear, find out this answer. Bye.